Hi everyone, this is Tom. In this video, I'll show you another realistic demo how multiple customers can engage in real-time chat with one or more customer representatives. Customer representatives are automatically notified when a customer initiates a chat session, ensuring prompt engagement. My demo showcases a web-based front end, both for customers and representatives, as well as WinUI, rich client application that I've used in my previous videos. The backend architecture is identical from before. This video expands on concepts I introduced in my previous video and architecture. If you haven't watched my earlier videos, you can still follow along. I do recommend checking out my other videos as they go more into depth how I designed and implemented this. I'm reusing this slide from my full-length video. Before I started, I wanted to implement a real-time chat solution aimed at multiple customers and multiple customer representatives. That boiled down to a few key requirements. Keep all users' application instances in sync via real-time notifications with Azure Web PubSub, storing message history on the server and being able to retrieve them at any time. Enable group chat messaging and allow users to join and leave groups at will. Once I implemented those, I thought about how I could enhance that functionality to create a customer representative chat. I narrowed it down to 3 requirements worthy of making a demo. Having 2 personas and thus 2 different user experiences. Having multiple support specialists join a customer chat and leave as needed. And the key capability allowing all customer support specialists be notified when a customer starts a chat. One of the key cloud technologies that make it easy to build applications where client and server need to exchange data in real time is the Azure Web PubSub service. In my solution, an ASP.NET Core Web API functions as a central hub, efficiently managing specific communications from clients and helping to store messages. Client applications can run on different platforms. The key technology enabling seamless communication in all these environments is the WebSocket protocol. I implemented my client applications originally using WinUI as a rich client app. Later, I added a web-based application that shows different UIs, whether customers are the primary users or customer representatives are. Let's jump into my demo and see how all this works. Welcome to your new customer support chat application. It's designed to streamline customer interaction and boost your team's efficiency. The best part about implementing this is that I didn't have to make any changes to the backend nor the web API from my previous demos. I just implemented a web user interface with specific functionality for my 2 personas. The customer experiences is like any chat messaging interface that shows messages and lets users send messages. I take the customer name from the route. The status message section shows some key events from my applications, primarily for demo purposes and to show what's happening under the covers. I open up a new page for customer named John. This is a UI for a customer representative named Rick. It is a bit more complex. Towards the top, Rick will see all customer sessions. Below it, Rick can join or leave any customer session. Here will be a list of all chat sessions Rick is active in. Customer chat messages sections will show grouped customer messages. Below are controls to send messages to a particular chat session. Again, status messages will show some key events happening in the application. Tom sends a message to my custom designed private chat network to get some help. We see Tom's message and some status events. In the customer representative UI, we immediately see a new customer chat from Tom. Rick joins Tom's chat. We see Rick's UI reflects that. And now Rick can see all of Tom's chat history. Tom sees that a customer representative joined his chat. I open up a new page to add Bob as another customer representative. Bob sees that Rick is active in Tom's chat. Now John sends a message and both Rick and Bob sees there's a new customer wanting to chat. Bob joins John's chat and sends a message. John sees that Bob joined his chat and sees Bob's message. He now replies. I'll show my WinUI customer application as well. I made the web UI to automatically handle registration and subscriptions on page startup. In my WinUI, this is done explicitly to control the data flow for the demo. When John clicks the Start Chatting button, his application synchronizes John's chat. John sends a message and all applications get that message via Azure Web PubSub notifications. I started a customer representative WinUI instance. Bob joined the sessions and the UI updated. Bob replies to John. All application instances receive that message. John replies and every instance is updated. At this point, Rick decides to join John's chat. Both Rick's and Bob's customer service UI reflected this change so that everyone's aware who's handling what chat. Obviously, in a real application, Individual customer chats would likely be in a separate tab. But for demo, I get this layout working in just a few minutes. Rick sends a message to John and all UIs are updated. Bob sends a message that he will leave the chat. All UIs are updated. Bob leaves and his chat with John is removed from his view, and he's unsubscribed from all instances. He will no longer receive John's messages. Now only John and Rick continue their chat. This is my high-level architecture. I wanted to include this for completeness, but I go over it in detail in my other customer support video, so please check it out. In this video, I showed a realistic scenario how customers can engage in real-time chat with one or more customer representatives using real-time notifications powered by Azure Web PubSub service. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful.